So hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Barbara. If you're new here, welcome to the family. So today's video we are going to do vegetable rice. So this is to my vegan people. So the ingredients, the key ingredients, rice. So this is my boiled rice. Some peas, like half a cup of peas, some carrots, red onion, zucchini, green pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, some salt, cloves, white pepper, turmeric, tomato paste, cooking oil, ginger and garlic paste, and some soy sauce. So let's get cooking. So at this point you're going to switch off the stove. Set your stew aside. Bring in your boiled rice. We are going to be adding the stew to the rice bit by bit while we stir, like that. Little bit of it, and just give it some stir. See how rich that rice is. You can actually see a bit of everything. Some zucchini, some carrots, some peas, of course the rice. So you can use, the rice can be leftover rice, or you can actually pre-cooked just the way I did, and that's it. You can serve it with your stew, ready for your lunch or dinner. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.